Welcome back to my channel Beautiful Within. Friends, today's video is very special because I want to tell you about my bags which I recently got from the brand Zouk. I got two of them. One is this office bag which is so pretty and so spacious, friends. I can conveniently carry all my essentials in this. I will be taking you inside of the bag also in the later part of the video as to know what I carry in my bag. So what's inside my bag will happen in the later part of the video. And also I got this classic wallet which is really pretty and very gorgeous. So friends, before moving ahead in this video, let me quickly tell you something about this brand Zouk. The brand Zouk makes their bags with 100% vegan leather. The leather which they are using is PETA approved, hence making it cruelty free. They are also made in India, friends, so you can use them, and while using them you can be a proud Indian. And also friends, that they are handcrafted. Friends, coming to the varieties of bags you will find on Zouk, you will find all sort of bags on Zouk, like from sling bags, tote bags, handbags, backpacks, everything. And you will find a lot of varieties in wallets too. So coming to the two varieties which I have, one is this office bag. As you can see, the color is so damn pretty, so versatile, and you will get a lot of varieties and design in the office bag as well, meeting your traditional vibes or modern vibes. Even in the wallet section, if you go, you will find a lot of colors, designs, prints to suit all kind of moods, friends. There is one more good news for you guys. If you want to shop from Zouk, you can use the discount code flashed on the screen right now and get 15% off on your first order. So now friends, without any delay, let me take you to the zoom look of the bag. So the first one I have is the office bag. Is very stylish and vibrant. As you can see, I just love the print, friends. It's so amazing. The quality and the design is superb, supreme quality, friends. The fabric which is used, as you can see here, is jute khadi, and it's so vibrant and so beautiful looking. So friends, as I told you earlier, that the leather which they use in making their bags is PETA approved and 100% vegan leather. Now lots of you have asked me what I carry in my bag, so it's time to show you all my little secret. To begin with, let me tell you friends that this bag is very spacious and the zip quality is also very nice. You get a single compartment like this, okay, and as you can see, it is very spacious. Now this is an office bag, so you get a separate compartment for your laptop, and you can see it for yourself. So you can separate your laptop. It has a foam here to protect your laptop also. Right now I'm doing editing on my laptop, so it's not here, and these are the things which I take in my bag. Now many of you will ask me what is the material inside the bag. So that is also very important. Whenever I look out for a bag, I need to see what material is inside. So the material inside is a water resistant inner lining, okay. So it's very nice, and yeah, water resistant one. Now let me quickly show you what all things I have. So the very first thing, it's like my water bottle. So you can put up to 1 liter of water bottle inside, I guess. Yeah, very spacious. Then you can see my perfume. Okay, I do carry my perfume with me. Then there is a pouch. Now this pouch contains all my makeup products, okay. So you can say like compact powder, lipsticks, and my hand cream. As you can see here, this contains all my lip balms and kajals and all that stuff. So a full pouch is also there inside. Then you have a diary which I need, and I also have a pen inside. So I need to write a lot of things. And you also get let me show you, you get a compartment for pens also, if you want to keep it here, if you want to. So then we have ear cords. Then you have sanitizers. Right now it's very important. Then I have even a small diary to note something if I want to write something, so that small diary. And then you have wet wipes, which I always carry, calculator, okay. One is sanitary napkin, which I always carry, and I think you girls should also, one for the safety side. So I do carry, and I carry sanitary napkins and panty liners also in this. So yeah, this you should carry. And then one more important thing is the toilet seat sanitizers. I would highly recommend you guys to carry this, for your cleanliness, intimate hygiene and everything. You should definitely carry this. So it is always there in my bag. And then I have my glares. Then I have my comb, okay. So much space. Can you see, guys? And in this compartment, smaller compartments over here, I have kept my mints, okay, and my keys in this compartment. So yeah, these were all the things which I keep in my bag. Next one, this is the wallet, and I'll show you what I carry in the wallet also. So again, you can see the fabric is jute fabric and vegan leather. So very versatile, very beautiful, and you can carry it just like that. See what's inside. So inside you get it like this, and it's very beautiful, friends. I've never come across a wallet which contains all these things superbly, right? So you have a zip here of a good quality again, and I have my cash over here. Then over here you can see the ID card or photograph, whatever you want to put. I have put my photo, my marriage photo, and here you have got again a small thing to put your coins, or maybe whatever you want to keep. You can keep it in this pouch over here given. And I have kept my photographs, okay, and there are 6 card holders over here, and even a space over here. I put my debit card, my ATM card over here. So this much is what is inside here. And you also get a chain over here. So even if you don't want to open the bigger chain, you can put some coins over here or cards over here or whatever you want to keep it. So yeah. So friends, when you open the wallet, you get the logo Zouk over here inside, which I think looks very, very pretty. So friends, these bags can be paired up with everything. I mean, like almost everything. Like you can wear it with traditional clothes, you can wear it with western clothes, with a modern look, with your kurtas, simple kurtas, or if you're wearing your office attire, it goes well with all the kinds of dresses, friends, I would say. So friends, lastly, I would say that if you are a bag lover and if you are looking out for a good bag for yourself, you can definitely visit Zouk, because 2-3 things which I completely loved about this bag is that they are built with a superior quality. They are very rough and tough, they are very strong, and they are very sturdy. And with sturdy, they are also very, very stylish. So yes, I feel they are very nice, amazing quality. So you can also visit Zouk. I will give the link in the description box below, friends, and also I will mention my discount code if you want to shop. So I think that any bag lover will definitely get their perfect match on Zouk. Thanks for watching this video, friends. If you have liked this information provided, please hit the like button down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't still. And I'll see you super soon in my next interesting video. Till then, you take care of yourself and always keep smiling. Bye bye.